This is the Talking Heart. Send a personalised message to a loved one in a wonderful and unique way.
Get well soon, Grandma.
Talking Hearts are voice recorders that allow you to record and play back up to 2 minutes of high-quality sound. Play a personal voice message or a special piece of music through the built-in speaker. Activate your message by simply pressing or squeezing the heart. Talking Hearts can be used in many different ways. Give your special cuddly toy or favourite doll a voice of its own.
Hello, my name is Charlie Bear.
Create a Valentine's Day surprise or send a wedding day message. It can be supplied in a gift box for ladies or men. It makes a perfect talking gift tag and a fun birthday balloon weight. Send a comforting message to relatives in a care home or to family members deployed overseas. A Talking Heart will add a new dimension to a personalised gift. Make your gifts, messages and announcements come alive with speech, music or sound effects. The Talking Heart fits in the palm of your hand. It has wall mounting holes, or you can add a magnet to stick it to your fridge. You can also add a lanyard or ribbon to hang your heart. It's so easy to use. Turn the heart over to locate the power and mode switches below the battery door with the heart switched on. Move the mode switch to A to put it into record. Squeeze and hold and the red light will illuminate to show recording has started. Speak clearly into the microphone and release the heart to finish recording. To play back, move the mode switch to B and press the heart to activate your sound. Pressing again will stop the playback. You can record for up to 2 minutes and re-record as many times as you wish. There's a record lock switch inside the battery compartment should you wish to protect your precious recording from accidental erasure. When lock is selected, the heart will only be able to play back. Switch on, select B, and your personalised Talking Heart is ready to play.